How are you finding Skardu?
Skardu is really cool.
Yeah.
It's such a mythical place for us. Like we love summiting films and such. So we see Skardu all the time in films, and to be here, it's really cool. It's really cool.
Yeah. Is it better than you were expecting, or it's the same?
It's bigger than I expected.
Yeah, it's bigger. That is
bigger,
true.
and the valley is wider.
Yeah, it's a very very wide valley. That is true. So what have you seen so far?
Not much. We arrived 2 days ago, but I got sick yesterday.
Oh, okay.
So I saw a lot of my hotel room.
yeah.
But otherwise, we didn't hike or such. But we are going to Kapalua to hopefully hike and see the K2.
Oh really? You can see K2 नजर आती है वहाँ से?
जी वहाँ से व्यू पॉइंट मशबरूम का व्यू पॉइंट है.
Mashab you're going to Mashab viewpoint, right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. That's good.
So hopefully.
For how long are you planning to stay?
In Kapalua, maybe 5 days.
5 days.
And
Okay.
अच्छा, जो आने वाले सियाह है उनको आप क्या पैगाम देंगे?
What would you like to say to the people who want to come and visit Skardu?
You should definitely come.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like we'll see how many hikes we can do, but so far, even like from the road, the landscape is awesome, and we didn't even hike yet, and it's already really cool to be there, and the weather is awesome, and you get to see so many peaks around the road around us. It's crazy for us. It's crazy.
यहाँ पे अमन के हवाले से यहाँ के लोगों के what do you how do you find the people here and you know the environment?
Helpful. Like we feel welcome, and every time we need help, we just ask around, and people help us, and it's really comfortable for us, and it's really nice.
Yeah,
like
we feel welcome. Like almost like the people are happy to see some tourists. So it's not like that in every country we visited. So it's really nice to have warm contact with the people around.
Right. Anything that you feel needs to be improved in terms of welcoming people, welcoming more tourists here?
More tourists. I don't know how everything works. So I'm not sure, but I feel it's already quite good. Like there's buses to go around, to go everywhere. Basically,
people speak English.
People speak English pretty well.
That is true.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.